Hi guys, my name is Hannah. I am the face behind the brand Better Lettering. I want to do a quick video and introduce myself to you. So, like I said, my name's Hannah. I am a self-taught hand lettering artist, and I am a stay-at-home mom to 2 little kids right now. So, in the beginning, I learned everything myself. I didn't take any classes. I just scoured Pinterest and soaked everything up. So I started my Instagram account and I decided that I was going to letter every single day and just watch the progress, because you have to progress if you're doing something consistently every day. So that's what I did. I did it for at least a year. I mean, I still try to letter every single day. I don't always post. But to just be able to see that growth was so inspiring, and it just really motivated me to keep on going. And so I created this YouTube channel to help you in your journey wherever you're at with that. So I delve into bullet journaling, I delve into lettering, different styles of lettering, as well as the different tools that you can use and my personal favorites. So I'll be giving you some product reviews, and I'll be giving you some quick tips and tricks on how to make your lettering just go further. So I really hope you enjoy this. I hope you find the content valuable. I really put a lot of time and effort into this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching and stopping by.